Choose Digi Electronics for genuine components, unbeatable prices, and fast shipping. Introducing the DT-2RV2-A7, a DPDT snap-action micro switch, equipped with a roller lever actuator, rated 10A at 125 or 250 VAC, also rated 0.3A at 125 VDC, operating force between 1.25 and 2.09 N, pre-travel about 0.42 mm, total travel is 1.5 mm, lever length is approximately 18.27 mm, operates from -55 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius. Compact design with dual independent circuits. Ideal for limit switches and safety interlocks. Widely used in industrial machinery. Digi Electronics, real parts, real fast.